Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to line number a Word document. First, access to your Word file. You will see the data to use in a table format. After, select any value, right-click there and choose Insert and click on Insert Rows above. With his new row, in each of the cells you are going to enter the bar sign. Now select all or each row and from the paragraph group click Center to adjust this values. When you do this, right-click on the table and choose the Table Properties option. In the pop-up window, select the Borders and Shading option. Now in the All option from Color, set the color white. Click on OK and you will see the new style of the table with the data. After, go to Insert menu and in Shapes, select the double arrow. After, in your keyboard, press the Shift key and draw the arrow between the data in the table. Select the arrow and from the Shape Format menu, open Shape Outline and select one of the colors that you see. Open again Shape Outline and now from Weight, adjust the width of the arrow. You can view the line number. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.